In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a blog template in the Design Manager in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to customize the appearance of your blog, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's dive in. To start, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll want to pay attention to the left-hand side of the navigation bar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Contents. Go ahead and give that a click. By navigating here, you're essentially getting into the main area where all your content types are listed, allowing you to target blogs specifically. After you've clicked on Contents, the next area to focus on is the blog section. Clicking on blog will navigate you to a list of all your published and drafted blog posts. This is a handy space where you can quickly access and manage your blog entries, but most importantly, locate the blog template you wish to edit. Now that you've selected blogs, it's time to find the specific template you want to adjust. Navigate through your options and select the blog template you want to work on. There will be more than one template if you have different designs for separate blog categories or themes, so be sure to pick the correct one you aim to modify. Having selected your blog template, look towards the top area where you'll notice some tabs. Here, click on the Settings tab. This section is crucial as it contains all your blog template settings and configurations. Not to worry, this is quite straightforward to navigate even for beginners. Once in the Settings section, you need to locate the Template button. It's essential because this will redirect you to a more detailed area focused solely on the template aspect of your blog. When you click Template, it opens up a more focused view of your design space. Finally, to begin editing your template, look for the Edit this template option. By selecting this, you'll enter the Design Manager where all the magic happens. This area enables you to make adjustments like changing the layout, adding modules, or customizing any HTML and CSS for your blog template. Customize it to align with your brand identity or to enhance user experience by editing visual elements or functionality as desired. And there you have it, a straightforward path to reach and edit your blog template within HubSpot's Design Manager. Remember, take your time exploring the customization options and don't hesitate to experiment with changes. Before making any permanent modifications, ensure you're satisfied with the aesthetics and functionality. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.